Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, welcome on back. So today's look is for the lazy, all right? So this is a look if you want to look put together, but you don't want to do a lot of work. So if that's you, this video is for you. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, keep on watching. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and just take my Benefit Professional Primer, and I'm just gonna be priming my face where I get the most oily. Because it is summertime, I actually have to try a little bit harder than normal to make sure that I don't look like a grease ball. And this is one of the primers that helps me. So I only use my professional primer only where I get the most oily because it's no point in doing it anywhere else. Alright, so to cover up these dark circles and buff them away, I'm just going to be taking my LA Colors cover up stick. And I'm literally just going to be going under my eyes and around my nose. That's pretty much it because I'm using a full coverage foundation today. So I don't have to go as hard on the actual cover up stick as I would any other time. So I'm just going to take this Patrick's powder and I'm just going to just set where I get oily, which is everywhere. Alright, with it being summertime, your girl is always looking like a hot ball of grease. So to combat that, I have to take a little bit extra time on my base during the summertime because I will be outside glistening an hour after I put on my makeup. Alright, muy perfecto. Now we are ready for the foundation. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with my Lancome foundation in the color 435W, and I'm just going to buff that into my skin. So Jackie Aina got me sold on this doggone brush. I was not trying to buy no more brushes, but they had BOGO at Ulta and I just couldn't resist. I couldn't resist. It's dang on shame. But I do love how this brush feels against my skin. Like I can rock with this. And then I just have a few more little spots on my face that need extra cover. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just add just a little bit more foundation. Yes, hunty, yes. Okay, okay, okay. Alright then. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna conceal or anything. I'm not, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna just take a little bit of translucent powder and I am just going to just lightly set under my eyes and around my nose just for safe measures, because you know I can't trust my skin right now. I just can't do it, not right now. I'm not setting, I am literally just patting it into my skin. And you know what, you can never be too careful, so I'm gonna just go and do this on my forehead too, because like I said, I don't trust my skin like that. Alright, so moving right along, what I'm gonna do, because we are going for a nice glowy dewy look today, minimal effort. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, and I'm literally going to use that for my eye color as well as my highlighter. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a clean buffing brush and I'm just going to buff out all of the harsh lines or anywhere where it looks patchy so it can be a nice seamless color. Alright, and then next I'm just going to go straight in with my bronzer, and per usual I'm just using my NYX bronzer in the color Deep, and I'm just going to chisel out all of my features. Alright, and for highlighter, I'm going back in with my Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. I don't think I told y'all the color. It is in the color Molten Gold. And I'm just going to be taking my Luxie 660 brush and working that into my skin until I like what I see. Give myself a nice C formation on my temples and the high parts of my cheeks. Oh, and if you ever feel like you're going overboard, trust me, you're not. You can never have too much highlighter, so don't ever let nobody tell you anything different. You highlight until you like what you see. All right, so for brows, y'all know I don't do brows, so I'm literally just going to comb them out and make sure that they're straight, because that's just how I roll. I mean, I've never gotten my eyebrows done because I'm just too lazy. My mom told me that once you start doing your eyebrows, I mean, it's like an addiction. You can't stop. So why even start? All right, so next what I'm going to be doing for eyeliner is absolutely nothing. This is a normal glowy AF look, so I'm not trying to do too much of nothing. This is a easy on the go, I don't have a lot of time to mess around with y'all type looks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take my Bad Gal Bang mascara and I'm literally just going to coat my lashes until I like what I see. The one thing I love about this mascara is it literally gets into every single lash on your eyelid. Like, oh, it's despicable, but I love it. See? One eye's done, other one not so done. That's a big freaking difference. All right, and then to set everything in place, I am literally going to use two things. So first I'm just gonna take my MAC Prep and Prime and I'm just gonna spritz my face. And then to be extra, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be taking my Morphe setting mist and I'm just going to mist away until I feel good about it. All right, and then while my face is still a little damp, what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take my Luxie 514 brush and I'm gonna go in with my NYX Away We Glow Illuminizing Powder, and I'm just gonna use one of the pink shades as a blush and just kind of lightly pat it into my skin. One more time for good luck. Okay, so for lips, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be taking my MAC liner in the color Cork. I really do love this liner because it is definitely a flesh tone color and it really goes well with any lipstick, any other lip color. Like, you cannot go wrong with this liner. All right, and then for gloss, I'm going in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Tiramisu. I love the color Madeline, but I couldn't find her, so Tiramisu is close enough. All right, y'all, so this is the completed look. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, y'all, we done been through this enough times. You should already know the deal. Just hit the subscribe button already, please and thank you. But yeah, also make sure that you're checking in with me on my other social media platforms as well. That is all the time that I have, ladies and gents. So until next time, remember that kindness doesn't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So until my next upload, remember to be kind and be you.